Hey guys, Arie here, and in today's video, we're going to be going over a breakout trend in the e-commerce space that you've probably heard of, and I'm also going to be sharing with you an example of a TikTok brand that I saw that is completely popping off using this. And the breakout trend that we're talking about today is the cold plunge tub. So as you see here, judging by this Google trend, this is a huge breakout trend. I mean, in the last 12 months, this went from literally 0 to 100, right? From 0 to 100 in just a year. Now, the category that this is in is lifestyle, health, and home. If you're wondering, by the way, what this is, what I'm looking at right here, this is the Arie lab. So this is where we publish a lot of the research that we do at Arie, my company, and we're creating it into a little Discord product. You can sign up for the waitlist below, but the actual store that I'm talking about is called Polar Recovery. So shout out to you guys at Polar Recovery. You guys are doing an amazing job here. I can't wait to see how you continue to scale this, especially if you add some Facebook ads and Google ads and TikTok ads. You can hit me up about that. I would love to work with you guys. But as you see, what they've done, which I think is genius, is created an affordable alternative to a cold plunge challenge, right? Because a lot of people are doing cold plunges, but a lot of the cold plunges that you can buy, like the tubs, are like $5K, right? Whereas this one is only like, let me see, $99. So it's only $100, which is not gonna kill you, right? And it does seem to be really effective. It's kind of like a blow up pool, but for, polar plunges or whatever. They also picked a pretty good name, Polar Recovery. That's a good one. And I like the angle, of course, that they're taking, which is this recovery. Now, one of their most genius products here, or not products, ads, is this one. This one has 6 million views organically. It's possible that they're running this as a Spark ad as well. That's what I would definitely do if I was running ads for this brand. And, that's something that you guys maybe don't know about, but that's why it's also so awesome to be posting content on TikTok, because you can use that content as ads and pump budget into it to not only boost the ad or the content itself, but also get conversions out of it. And you can also do that on Instagram and Facebook as well. So keep that in mind. That's why I think posting organic content is always a good idea. But let me show you.
Scientists out of skin.
I'm actually going to turn off the sound, but what they're doing is something very, very smart. The sound here is a sound from the Huberman Lab podcast. Huberman Lab podcast is ran by Dr. Huberman, a Stanford professor who's been, all in on this cold recovery method. And he talks about it extensively. So what they've done is they've used an excerpt from the podcast where he talks about it and used it as a sound for the video. So it's really compelling, right? Because as you see here, he's basically talking about the research that has conclusive evidence showing the benefits of a cold plunge. So automatically that makes people, want to do this, right? But then of course, how do you do this if most polar plunges or cold tubs are like $5,000? Well, these guys are providing the perfect solution to that. It's $99, so anybody could afford this. Yeah, I think this is pretty cool. I really like what these guys are doing. And again, the way that I found this is through the researchers on my team posting this at the Arie lab. So if you want to sign up for the waitlist, we haven't launched this yet. We did launch the Ultimate Shopify Brand Starter Kit. That's another Arie lab product, but this is a bit different. This is where we give you an optimized Shopify template that you can use, along with a bunch of tutorials and videos on how to launch your business and how to launch ads, how to create your business, etc. But this will be the Discord server where we're posting the research and we're doing a lot of interesting stuff in there. This is going to be my last video in Cancun. I'm super excited to be back. I've come up with so many ideas and I have so many things that I'm excited to get back and implement into my life, into my business, into the channel. Yeah, super hyped for everything. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Check these guys out, and hopefully this gave you some ideas for your business. As you see, they're not really doing anything revolutionary when it comes to the content. It's literally just using their product and doing that over and over again. They've amounted over 10 million views doing this in the past couple months. So super impressive stuff. Very simple and effective. I really love when I see things like this. But with that said, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.